you fret, monsieur, I don't feel any pain. Little, and hardly hurt me now. We're here, that's all I need to know, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow. But you will live for me, dear God above.